So welcome to this video. In this we are going to see the feedback signals from the drive, relay type. Feedback signals are those in which we want to read some various information from the drive in our PLC or HMI or on the indicators. Alright, so feedback is generally, you can say that suppose I want to read whether the drive is running or not, so I can have a feedback of VFD operation. If VFD is running, I can have a feedback on LED or in the PLC or in the HMI which says VFD is running. And similarly, if VFD is stopped, this is the kind of feedback we can have. Then a feedback of VFD external fault. If there is any fault coming in the drive, although the drive will stop and will show fault EF on the drive, you'll find some signal here. We have seen that in the last video. But in case your VFD is enclosed, you want to have a feedback of fault on alarm or on some indicator or in the PLC or HMI, you can do the feedback. And we can see how we can have a desired frequency attained feedback from the drive. Alright, so let's see the first one, VFD operation run and stop. Now how to do the wiring of this feedback. Now if you see this drive over there over the bottom, there are three terminals. Okay, these are the relay feedback terminals. There is a relay inside this drive. Alright, these are the three terminals of that relay. So what we are doing with this terminal is, now we know that in relay we have one is common, NO and NC. So this RC is common here. Alright, RB is NC. So I just want to give it a different color. This is an NC and RA is NO. Okay, so we know that if we give something to common, it connects to NC if relay is off. When the relay gets on, common connects to NO. So RA is NO, RB is NC. Alright, so what I have done is I have connected 24 volts directly to the common, and this RB, which is NC, is going to input X6 of my PLC. This is N6, and NO is going to 5. So our input 5 and 6 are connected to NO and NC of this VFD, directly wired to my PLC. Alright, so if you want to see there, this is the drive and the PLC is over the top. So wiring has been done from drive to output to the PLC. Okay, so now let's see the first feedback. When the PLC is running, you will find my PLC input gets on if VFD is running. Okay, so to do that we have this parameter 46 which says multifunction output terminal 2 relay output. This is by default 07, fault indication. We have to move that to 00, okay, AC drive operational. So in parameter 46 we have to enter 00. So from mode I can go to 46. This should be 00. Alright, enter, back to main drive. So right now it's 7.3 Hertz. And to see the feedback, this is the PLC. This is the monitoring section of a PLC. Right now you can see that X6 is on because common is connected to NC and NC is connected to X6 in my PLC. That's why this is on. So what happens when I run the drive from here, you will find X5 is on. Alright, this signal is coming from the drive which says VFD is running. This says VFD is stop. If I stop from the drive, you'll find 6 is on. This is happening automatically. This is the feedback from the drive when the drive is on or when the drive is off. Simple feedback. Later you can use this feedback in your HMI to show the feedback in text when the drive is running or when the drive is off. Alright, so this was a very simple and basic feedback how you can read the signal from the VFD using this relay terminal. In next video we'll see the other part of feedbacks which says external fault, how to get an external fault feedback in the drive in the PLC as well. Alright, thank you.